Leading local tonight, students in North Dakota's largest school district are officially back in class. But with the rise in COVID cases throughout the community, are officials doing enough to ensure everyone is safe? Nakaya Carrero has the story.
Some parents like Karen Dunlap have concerns that Bismarck Public Schools just isn't doing enough when it comes to a COVID mitigation plan, especially with the Delta variant being the main strain now.
We're going to need to do some things this fall when we go back to school. We're going to have to still wear masks. We're going to have to be being careful about those kinds of things. And so when a couple weeks before, about a month before school started, realized that this Bismarck Public Schools was not intending to make any changes to their reentry plan.
Dunlap says besides the lack of preventative measures, she says the plan of not doing extensive contact tracing is upsetting.
If our kids end up being in a classroom with a child that does have COVID, we want to know about it so that we can keep an eye on things. Are they maybe not eating right? Or are they, do they have some ache or pain that might be an early symptom?
The superintendent of Bismarck Public Schools, Dr. Jason Hornbacher, says there is a plan in place and the district is closely monitoring cases throughout the area. He says they have made changes and upgrades throughout the schools.
I think a big one on people's mind is air filtration systems that we've had upgrades to, which I think means a lot to our staff, our students, and their parents. In addition to that, we have social distancing, maximizing spaces, recommending mask use, hygiene practices, sanitation practices.
Hornbacher says if someone tests positive, may it be a teacher, student, or staff, they need to follow the guidance given to them by the state. So if someone is sick, they should stay home automatically.
All staff are granted leave according to our leave practice at the beginning of the year in the handbook. So all staff have some leave that they can access for this. So no one's coming into the school year, whether it's even if it's a new staff, of having, I don't have any leave. I have no leave.
BPS is continuing with the plan they left off on last school year, which was put into place May 4th. Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, I'm Nakaya Carrero.
We also reached out to Mandan Public Schools. In a statement, they told us, quote, "We are continuing to offer the Mandan Virtual Academy for those students in K through 8 who have chosen to learn virtually. At this time, the district will not be contact tracing ourselves. Instead, we will follow quarantine orders for positive and close contacts ordered by the North Dakota Department of Health," end quote.